The Revolt of 1857 Part 3. Suppression of the Revolt of 1857. British Army freed Delhi, the epicenter of the revolt. Bahadur Shah Zafar was tried and sent to Rangoon. His children were killed. The control of Delhi and imprisonment of Bahadur Shah Zafar broke the backbone of the mutiny. Lucknow was recaptured in 1858. Rani Lakshmi Bai was killed and Tatya Tope was captured and hanged to death. Revolt. Failure of the revolt. The revolt was localized and was poorly organized. The British had better resources than the rebels. The revolt was feudal in character. The leaders lacked military skills. The native princes did not join the revolt. Feudal is nothing but a social or political system. The Sepoy Mutiny. What is a sepoy? An Indian soldier serving under British or other European orders. Some say that the revolt of 1857 was just a mutiny initiated by the Indian sepoys or soldiers, and hence they name Sepoy Mutiny. The soldiers were discriminated on the basis of racism and were paid low salaries. India's first war of independence, better known as the Indian Rebellion of 1857, began on this day, May 10th in the year 1857. The first martyr of the revolt was Mangal Pandey, and the war was the result of accumulation of many factors over time. So we can tell that the revolt of 1857 is also known as the first war of independence of 1857. Also, the first revolt was made, the first initiative we can tell, was taken by Mangal Pandey. Impact of revolt of 1857. The major impact was the introduction of Government of India Act, which abolished the rule of British East India Company and marked the beginning of British Raj, that bestowed powers in the hands of the British government to rule India directly through representatives. Here are a few meanings. Abolished meaning stop. Bestow meaning offered or gave the right to. British Raj meaning British Crown. Representatives meaning group. Meaning of Viceroy, Governor General, or a ruler exercising authority in a colony on behalf of a sovereign. Queen Victoria. India Office. Rules are made over here. Governance and administration. Ruled by Secretary of State, who had the right to make the policies of the state. Run by Viceroy or Governor General. Rules by Queen Victoria. Right to follow any religion. Landlords can't snatch the lands of people. The weapons remained with the Britishers. Anyone could join the military organization. Recap. Suppression of revolt, impact, and naming the revolt. Thank you and have a nice day.